Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in making Siopao Bola Bola. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients for the bola bola. We have garlic, scallion, eggs, onions, carrot, hoisin sauce, sugar, salt, and cornstarch. Oh, and of course, we have the ground pork, the 70% lean ground pork. We're gonna mix this and we'll put that in our steamer for 20 minutes and it will be done. First thing we're gonna do is we'll put our salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, our sugar, which is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's put our onions, the carrots. We're gonna mix them all together, and 2 tablespoons of garlic, our scallion, our hoisin sauce, just 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce, and we're gonna put a cornstarch and the egg later, but for now we're gonna mix this, and also we put 2 tablespoons of our soy sauce, and just an estimate, just a tablespoon of fish sauce, and then we'll mix this together. Now we mix this already real good, so we're gonna put our egg. Okay, put 2 eggs there, and we're gonna mix it again. All right, there you go, and our cornstarch. There you go. Now, to make sure that we have equal sizes of our bola bola, we're gonna use a measuring cup here, which is this a third of a cup. So we'll use this to make our bola bola. Like that. And then we're gonna set this into our steamer. There you go. Like that. All right. Now this is ready for our steamer. We're gonna steam this for the next 20 or 25 minutes. Now we have the ingredients for making the dough for Siopao Bola Bola. We have 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna use this for the yeast. We have the yeast. We have sugar, salt, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of lard or shortening, and we have baking powder, and we have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna activate the yeast first. So we have to put a teaspoon of water, and the water is lukewarm, and we're gonna put the yeast, and then we're gonna mix them, and we're gonna set this aside for 7 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna do the mixing of the dry ingredients. We'll put the sugar first, and then our salt, and then the baking powder. All right, gonna mix them good, and then we will mix also the shortening or the lard. Okay, and I think at this point we need to use our hands in mixing this. Now we'll see our, oh, look at this. Look at the yeast. It's already activated. We're gonna mix this with the all-purpose flour. Put that in the middle, and then we're gonna mix it until we form a dough. Now we have our dough here. It needs kneading, so we're gonna transfer it in the flat surface, and we're gonna knead it. Now we'll transfer our dough here. There you go, and we're gonna knead it. And then after kneading, we're gonna set this aside for an hour until the size doubled up. After kneading, we have our dough here, and then we'll put it back on the mixing bowl, and we will set this aside for an hour. It doubled in size already, and we're gonna transfer it into the flat surface, and we'll cut it. We'll cut this in half. There you go. That's first side, and we're gonna make. We can make around 8 on each half. So we'll cut this in half again, right? And we'll do 4 in this, right? All right, and we'll make a round dough like that, and then we're gonna flatten this. Flatten this and make a round one. Now this is flattened already, and we will put one bola bola. We'll put a couple of sausage, China sausage, and red egg, salt egg. Then we'll close it like this. Close it, then will pinch it to close it like that, and make it round. Turn it over, make it round like that, and we're gonna do this for everything. Now this is ready for 20-minute or 30-minute steaming. I put ketchup on the top so it will look nice. Here is the finished product, Siopao Bola Bola.